Hi, I'm Brandon Welch. I'm with the bench-to-bedside team, TriagePro. TriagePro combines the convenience of telemedicine with the power of big data. Healthcare reform is changing how we practice medicine. There's a greater focus on reducing unnecessary expenses and maintaining cost in healthcare. TriagePro helps healthcare organizations, healthcare systems, accountable care organizations, and health insurers maintain costs by reducing unnecessary expenses with patients receiving care they don't need. If a patient is feeling sick and is thinking about receiving treatment, they can first go to TriagePro, where they're able to enter their symptoms and meet with a healthcare professional that can expertly guide them as to the care that they should receive. When the patients enter this information, they're able to see the doctor, but on the doctor's end, the doctor is able to receive the data that the patient has entered and also see the patient and help them determine the most appropriate care before they go to the emergency room or receive care they don't necessarily need. They can do this from the convenience of their own home. But most importantly, TriagePro takes the data that the patient entered and uses publicly available disease outbreak data to provide decision support based on the information and the symptoms that the patient is presenting. It's essentially using information such as Google Trends, Google Outbreaks, and other publicly available data, and presents that information to the doctor or the clinician so that they can make the most informed decision about that patient. TriagePro will be white labeled and licensed to healthcare organizations, health systems, accountable care organizations, and health insurers so that they can use it for their own organization to maintain the cost in that organization. So we believe that TriagePro, with the convenience of this telemedicine, as well as combining the analytics of data, can push and help organizations improve the quality of care that they provide while also reducing costs and expenses in healthcare. And I'm Brandon Welch with TriagePro, and thank you very much.